Say something.
Hey!
Okay, we're gonna shoot at that milk bottle, but we gotta call Machik down here.
Machik!
Throw a stone for him. Not that, yeah. Throw it away. Good job. Okay, you ready? Hold your ears, bunny. It's a Ruger Bearcat. Oh, close.
Close.
I don't know, maybe we hit it, right?
Yeah.
Hard to tell.
Missed.
Huh? I don't know. You're gonna have to go look.
It moved a little bit.
Okay, run up there and check it. That's all. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Put your gun down. Go check it. Hurry it up. Reaches on an old road right there. That was a railroad, little railroad track, that ledge. That went to the next mine. Anything?
Yep.
You got it?
Yep.
All right. All right. Say bye to everybody.